Hi, let's draw a mango. Now it's time to paint. Yellow. Green. Brown. Light pink.
Ta-da! If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.